You have to understand the essay and plan the essay as well as generate ideas. So basically, what you need to write is ideally the blue ones. The blue text is the extra number of words or remaining number of words in order to write this essay effectively. Now, this session is going to help you with the PTE essay template for discussion essay. Without essay template, scoring 15 out of 15 in PTE essay writing is not possible. Because here, in this particular question type, you just get 20 minutes. And in these 20 minutes, you not only have to write the full essay of around 200 to 250 words, but also you have to understand the essay and plan the essay as well as generate ideas. So it is not possible to do everything in 20 minutes. Now this session is going to help you with the PTE essay template for discussion essay. So the way we have template for discussion essay, we have templates for all other essay types as well. Opinion essay, to what extent essay, advantages outweigh disadvantages essay, problem solution essay, mixed essay. We have templates for every single question type. Now, why do we require template? We require template because it's difficult to write and decide what we have to write and plan what we have to write in 20 minutes. So in order to get rid of the difficulty, we simply use the template. Now with the help of this template, I'm already providing you somewhere around 170 words. In between, you can say 150 and 170 words. So you just have to add the extra number of words or remaining number of words in order to write this essay effectively. Now, here you are going to see the black colored text is used for template. The red one is the paraphrased version of the topic sentence or the question statement, and the blue is the reason which you have to write. So basically what you need to write is ideally the blue ones. The blue text is the one that you have to write. The red one is simply the paraphrasing. So that also I'll tell you how do you need to do. Let's proceed further. So here we have the question, a lot of people have been moving to developed nations for the last few decades. So a lot of means majority of individuals have been moving to migrating to developed nations for the last few decades, whereas some feel like staying in their own nation. So we have two groups here. Group A feels like moving to developed nations for the last few decades. Okay. Whereas group B feels like staying in their own nation. So we have to share views on both sides. That means we are going to support the first view in body paragraph 1 and the second view in body paragraph 2. So the most important thing here is to understand the question. If you are able to understand the question, then only you can write it effectively, and that too in the given time. Now, let's look at the template. You simply incorporate this template in any discussion essay or in any both-sided essay, in any essay in which they are asking about the two sides, then you are going to easily score well. Let's look at the introduction part. It is a prevalent trend, or it is widely seen that. You can use this particular line as it is. A plethora of individuals are migrating abroad for the last 20-30 years. So clearly, a lot of people, we have used synonym, a plethora of individuals have been moving to, are migrating abroad for the last 20-30 years. Last few decades, 20-30 years. Owing to what? So here we are going to give one reason. In the introduction itself, we should state or outline the reason. Better career opportunities. Owing to better career opportunities. Now here we have used however. Simply use the same structure. However, others have the opposite perspective. Others, section B, they have the opposite perspective as they feel more connected to their hometown. So what is happening here? So Others have the opposite perspective as they feel more connected to their hometown. More connected, feel like staying in their own nation. I have simply paraphrased it. They feel more connected to their hometown or towards their hometown. We can also write more connected towards their hometown. Okay. This essay will explicate the dissenting views in the subsequent paragraphs. So whatever I have written in black color, whatever I have written in black text, you simply copy paste the same. Whatever is written in red is the paraphrased version of the question statement, and blue is something that you have to use. So you can clearly see in the introduction, you simply need to use the first idea or just outline the idea, and that's it. Otherwise, you are going to copy paste everything. Now, looking at body paragraph 1. Here also you're going to start the first sentence like this only. It is going to be a sentence like such. The underlying reason attributed to this trend of moving to foreign nations is lucrative career prospects. So what have we written? Better career opportunities. So we have paraphrased it. Lucrative, profitable career prospects. The underlying reason attributed to this trend of moving to foreign nation. We have just paraphrased the question statement. What is the reason behind what? The reason behind moving to foreign nations. Okay. Then we are going to add first conditional sentence. We are going to explain the first reason. Elaborating further. Simply use the same word. Elaborating further. Same words. If a person goes to, okay, technologically advanced nations, developed nations, we have used this synonym for developed nations, technologically advanced nations. He or she will not only get good job options, better career opportunities, but also higher salary packages. So what will happen? He or she will not get good job options, but also higher salary packages. Okay, that's what we are writing, good job options, but also higher salary package. Okay. We can also write packages here. Now, third sentence is the one in which we are going to write example. So you can write like such. To further bolster my opinion, a survey conducted on 100 migrants. Now, the example should always be related to the main idea. So the main idea is moving abroad for better career opportunities. So how can you support this idea? To further bolster my opinion, a survey conducted on 100 migrants, you can write 50, 100, whatever you wish to write, revealed that revealed that a majority of these people were offered 1.75 times the salary of what they were getting in their own nation. So it clearly revealed that a majority of these people, okay, were offered 1.75 times the salary of what they were getting in their own nation. So we have supported the idea. It is true. It is true they are moving abroad. They wish to move abroad because they were offered 1.75 times the salary. So point is, example should be something that is totally, that is strengthening your main idea, that is reinforcing your main idea. That's what we have done with the help of example. And now we have the last sentence. This trend as a result has eased the life of mankind. You can simply copy paste the whole line as well, depending upon the demand of the question. Now when we are talking about the number of words, introduction should be of somewhere around 50 to 60 words. So if we look at the number of words in the introduction, you'll get to know we have written 52 words, more than enough. So we can simply write like such. In between 45 to 50 or 50 to 60 words, introduction is more than enough. Okay. Now this one, body paragraph 1, around 70 to 75 words. That's what we are going to write, because here we need to write an essay of only around 250 words. Okay. So less than 250, but not more is required. Okay. So around 50 to 60 words we have written here. Proceeding further, this one is done. Body paragraph 2, we are going to start with interrogative sentence so that we show the examiner that we have knowledge of various sentence structures. Why the other section of society other section doesn't want to go abroad? Why the other section of society doesn't want to go abroad? Full question mark because it is an interrogative sentence. There are multifarious reasons to support this. So now whatever the reason is, we are going to explain further. The potential reason is that you are going to simply copy paste everything. Doesn't want to go abroad. Suppose the question is related to higher salary packages or switching the job. Why the other section of society doesn't want to switch jobs? Okay, so we can simply write the paraphrase thing here in the red color, and rest you are going to copy paste. Now we are going to give the reason. The potential reason is that these citizens are more connected to their traditions and cultures. Okay, they are more connected to their, or more connected towards their, or more inclined towards their. So more inclined, because we have already used connected earlier. So here we can use they are more inclined towards their traditions and culture. Now we are going to explain it further more so. Here we have to write everything. By staying in their native place, they can look after their parents and enjoy every festival with their loved ones. And due to this, they remain emotionally strong as well. So what is happening? More inclined towards their tradition and culture. We are explaining it further. When they are living in their native place, they can look after their parents, they can look after their loved ones and enjoy every festival with their loved ones, and due to this they remain emotionally strong. Whatever your idea is, simply support your ideas in the coming sentences. Now example, it has been observed several times that the populace who stay with their family members feel less depressed and isolated. The populace who stay with their family members feel less depressed and isolated. So we have clearly supported our idea. So this is the example. The populace who stay feel less depressed. It has been observed. Okay. Last is simple sentence. Thus, the above stated are the vital reasons behind this movement. So clearly mentioned, thus the above stated are the vital reasons behind this movement. Now here also we have written somewhere around 70 to 80 words only. Similar number of words we are going to write. Okay. And last is conclusion, in which we are going to write 30 to 40 words. Now coming to the conclusion part, same copy paste. Different people have distinct mindset, and as per the discussion above, same, everything will be same. As per the discussion above, it is apparent that a group of citizens believed in going to technologically advanced nations. However, others preferred the opposite. ठीक है, owing to support from their family members. We can write this as well, or we can skip also. So you can simply write the same in the conclusion, and conclusion will be simply of around 30 to 40 words. So if you're going to add it, you'll get to know that the total number of words will come up to somewhere around 250, and 250 words are more than enough. Okay, so simply 250 words are more than enough. Even if we calculate 80 plus 80, 160, 160 plus 60 or 50, 210, 210, 30 to 40 words or 250 words, more than enough. So simply copy paste the same structure and use the same in any discussion essay, because it's not possible to write the whole essay in 20 minutes. It's not possible to decide, or it's not possible to generate ideas on the topics properly, as well as write the whole essay in the given time. That's why I always suggest you guys to use the template in PTE essay writing, and with the help of these templates you can easily score 15 out of 15. These 15 marks are the marks which you're going to get only free of cost. So you can use these particular templates for your PTE essay writing. And I have also shared a video recently in which I have given 42 questions for PTE writing. Simply go through these 42 questions. You need not to go through any other question. So these are the questions which have come up in the exams earlier, and these are the most repeated questions of all time. So I have accumulated all the questions and compiled the questions into one file and shared the same with you through one of my videos. So you can go and check out that as well. I'm going to share the link of the same above. Okay, so if you like this video, if you like the template, if you like the explanation, so do share your love by sharing the same video with two more learners. And I know you have two contacts in the list only. You can use those two contacts from the phone book and share the same with them. They'll also get benefited. They'll also get to know how to improve their scores in PTE writing. So that's all for this session. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, PT आसान है. You just need to follow the right strategy as well as the right person. Thank you so much and bye bye.